Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 2026-04 Security Update KB5083769, KB5082417 Not Installing on Windows 11. First, go to Windows Settings and open Windows Update. Click Pause Updates, then hit Resume Updates. This simple refresh can sometimes fix the issue. If that doesn't work, type Services in Windows Search and open it. Find Windows Update, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, then Start if available, and hit OK. Right-click and restart it. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service and App Readiness. Now try updating again. Still not working? Run the PowerShell commands provided in the description. Search for PowerShell, run it as administrator, and execute each command one by one. After completion, restart your PC. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the 3 scan commands SFC, DISM, etc., one by one. Let each scan complete fully, then restart your PC. If the update still fails, use the Microsoft Update Catalog, search for KB5083769 or KB5082417. Check your Windows version using WinVer and confirm your system type in Settings, here About. Download the correct version and install it manually, then restart your PC. Next, close all third-party apps. Disable antivirus temporarily and uninstall any anti-cheat tools like Vanguard or Faceit, then restart and try again. You can also use Fix Problems using Windows Update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, then Recovery, and select Reinstall. This keeps your personal files and apps. If nothing works, use the Media Creation tool from Microsoft's website, download it, run the setup, select ISO file, save it, then open it from desktop and run setup. Follow the steps and make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected, then install. After installation, restart your PC and try updating again. One of these methods should fix the problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe